15 ways to make money passively. Interested in exploring ways to achieve financial freedom? While it won't magically make you rich overnight, passive income offers opportunities to supplement your earnings with minimal ongoing effort. Explore passive income ideas to generate extra income and build a more secure financial future. Here are the 15 ways to make money passively. 1. Deliver for Amazon. Do you know who didn't slow down during the pandemic? Amazon drivers. There's nothing like getting a package delivered to your front door, especially when it comes from Amazon. Everyone loves getting packages, so why not spend a few nights a week driving around town bringing people joy? Sign up to deliver packages with Amazon Flex and set your schedule for as much or as little as you want to work. 2. Turn your commute into cash. Between commuting to work and driving the kids to soccer practice, most of us spend plenty of time in our cars. It's time to make extra money while you're riding around. With Roadie, you can get paid just for driving a package, or even a pet, from point A to point B along your route. And check your area for apps that reward you for carpooling around town. Here in Nashville, we have Hitch, which partners with some companies to reward you for carpooling with one or more people. You're already driving to work each day, so why not get paid for it too? 3. Become a photographer. If you have a nice camera and a good eye, snapping a few photos might be just the thing you need to figure out how to make extra money. You can go as all in with this as you want. Maybe you only shoot family sessions and birthday cake smashes on the weekends. Or maybe you decide to start a business as a wedding photographer. The choice is up to you. Check the going rates for sessions in your area and think about setting your prices a little lower to stick to your competition. Let's say you make $75 a session. That can add up pretty fast. 4. Take up car washing, detailing. If you're a major car fanatic, this might be a natural fit for you. And you probably already have the tools you need. It's amazing how many people will pay someone else to do something they don't want to do. You can even take the business on the road and meet your customers wherever they are. 5. Become a financial coach. Are you passionate about helping people take control of their money? Cool. Us too. You can make some extra cash through financial coaching in your spare time. No special skills are required. Our Financial Coach Master Training will walk you through all the tools you need to help bring people hope as they figure out this whole money thing. 6. Start a blog. If you've got something to say, chances are people might read it. The great thing about a blog is you can focus on pretty much any topic you want to. If you're a great cook, do a food blog. Or maybe fashion is your true love. If you're passionate about fitness and nutrition, start a health blog. Just be prepared for the slow game with this one. You can make good money with a blog, but you can also end up making next to nothing. Okay, maybe that's extreme, but you get the idea. Using things like Google AdSense or affiliate marketing, where you get a cut when someone buys a product you promote and even connects with the right people, can impact your readership and the cash you make. 7. Start your own online business. If you're just looking for a quick way to make cash on nights or weekends for a short period, then maybe this one isn't for you. But if you're ready to turn your dream of starting your own business into a reality, there's never been a better time to do it. Online platforms like Etsy, Amazon FBA, and Big Cartel have made it easier than ever. 8. Rent your home. If you have a spare bedroom or can stay with your in-laws or friends on short notice, you might want to consider renting out your home on Airbnb. Let's say you decide to rent out your upstairs guest room and bathroom to 2 guests. Here in the Nashville area, you'd have a monthly earning potential of about $1,551. Not too shabby at all. But what about the risks of opening up your home to strangers? Airbnb offers accidental damage coverage on your home, up to $1 million of coverage, to be exact. They also offer host protection insurance just in case a guest gets hurt while staying on your property. So, kick that worry to the curb. Even though Airbnb doesn't screen each guest, they do let hosts and guests rate each other. That way you can feel more at ease about who you're letting into your house. 9. Rent out your car. If you have a vehicle that just sits in your garage for long periods, you might find a car rental service like Turo is one of the easiest ways to make some extra money. On average, you could make a jaw-dropping $10,516 a year just by renting out your ride. And don't worry, the company covers your vehicle with $750,000 of liability insurance, as well as offering theft and damage coverage. So let your renter hit the open road while you sit back and count that extra cash. 10. Sell old phones and electronics. It seems like new electronic gadgets come out every day. And when you're ready to upgrade, what do you do with the old stuff you don't use anymore? Well, you could just shove it in that random junk corner, where everything goes, or you can sell it. Sites like Swapper and Gazelle, no relation to our Gazelle Intensity, will take those old phones, gaming systems, and laptops off your hands. 11. Get rid of old movies and music. Channel your inner minimalist and get rid of all those dusty DVDs or CDs on your entertainment stand or in boxes under your bed. And make the whole process easier with Declutter. You can scan the barcodes of items you don't want anymore and see how much money the company will give you. Instead of waiting around for a buyer to maybe purchase your item, the company itself will buy your stuff outright. 12. Rent out your baby gear. Do you have baby items taking up space in your garage but you aren't ready to part with them yet? After all, you might want another kid. Maybe one day. Instead of selling that high chair or baby jumper, why not rent them? Oh, we're serious. On websites like BabyQuip, their quality providers earn around $600 a month renting out things like cribs and strollers. 13. Sell unwanted stuff. Sift through your hall closet, attic, and garage for everything you don't use anymore. What can you live without? Of course, you can always sell items on tried and true sites like eBay and Craigslist. 14. Sell your kids' clothes. Let's be honest, those little people grow out of their clothes faster than you can keep up. When it's time to get rid of the clothes they've outgrown, you have a few options. Put them out in your standard yard sale. Sell them to a consignment store, or post them on social media. Apps like Kidizn are specially designed for selling your kids' gently used threads. And of course, you can use other sites we've talked about like Poshmark, ThreadUp, Craigslist, and eBay to sell children's clothing too. 15. Sell those unused gift cards. Aunt Betsy gave you a PacSun gift card for Christmas, and you've never even set foot in the place. Instead of letting the gift card collect dust, sell it. Websites like Raise let you sell your unwanted gift cards and make a little kickback off of them. After all, every gift card deserves a loving home, doesn't it? 16. Rent your belongings. Okay, we already talked about renting out your home, car, and even your old baby items. What else is there? Oh, only everything else. The popular renting company Fat Llama. What a name, we know, lets you rent out nearly any of your belongings. Some of the most in-demand items are camera equipment, projectors, lighting, and audio equipment. So, if you're a photographer, videographer, or just a tech gadget lover, you might make a good amount. But remember, you can rent out nearly anything, even your lawnmower. Or tractor. Or scooter. Who knew? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to receive our next videos.